Aquarius, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies na parating sa inyo, like the exciting things happening in the next 2 weeks. From the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to, dahil ito ay isang timeless reading, sa anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. And also, if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, Aquarius. Let's see ano yung exciting things happening for you in the next 2 weeks for Aquarius. You have the 8th house. Kanina pa yan, labas ng labas. 8th house is about other people's money, shared resources, transformation, endings, and new beginnings. You have the moon in Capricorn. Wow. Very transformative to sa inyo, Aquarius, kasi meron kayong mga naitatagong abilidad na parang hindi nyo pa nagagamit talaga. Oo. And in the next 2 weeks, I feel like you are finally tapping into that power. 8th house is a very powerful transformation for you. Itong Capricorn energy is pagkakaroon ng lakas, stamina, to finally step into whoever you want to be. Okay? Maari kasing meron kang mga gustong i-embody sa sarili mo, that you want to be this kind of person, you want to achieve this certain goal, and itong moon energy is your dedication, your passion, your commitment sa goal ninyo. So I think magbabago rin yung inyong perspective sa buhay, meron kang magiging bagong mantra na kailangan maging ganito ka para ma-achieve mo itong certain goal na to. So it's like changing yourself from within. Okay? Can be changing your mindset, changing your perspective. Oh, 'di ba? You have the snake. The snake is about transformation, shedding the old skin. 'Di ba yung mga snake, nagpapalit sila ng balat. So I see you na parang magkakaroon ka ng new version of yourself, upgrading yourself, reinventing yourself, okay, in the next 2 weeks. You also have the Tree of Life. Tree of Life is about abundance. This is growth. So, pwedeng personal growth to, or growth sa career ninyo, sa business ninyo, or life in general. You also have the Sea Star. So, some of you ay magpo-focus rin sa inyong kalusugan. Di ba nga, health is wealth, at marami tayong ma-achieve kung tayo ay malakas, malusog, at maayos ang ating pangangatawan. So, I see you na improving yourself. I see you developing your skills, your talents. Kasi nag-grow ka na eh. Parang kumbaga, yung dating ikaw, nawawala na eh. No? So, meron ng bagong ikaw na masasabi mo na this is your new version. Bago mong version. You have the Two of Swords. Itong major decision na gagawin mo in the next 2 weeks will change your life forever. Kumbaga para siyang bagong landas, bagong pinto na nagbubukas para sa'yo. You have the King of Cups, Three of Cups. Oh, there is a celebration of an achievement. You have the Ace of Swords, new beginning, and the Nine of Pentacles. Ang ganda. The Nine of Pentacles is stability, abundance, independence. So, yung iba sa inyo, kung kayo ay nakaasa pa sa iba, or someone na meron pang nagsusupport sa inyo, in the next 2 weeks, ito yung babaguhin mo sa sarili mo, na magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong desisyon, sarili mong disposisyon sa buhay, na magli-lead sa panibagong ikaw na kung saan kaya mong suportahan yung sarili mo, kaya mong mag-provide para sa sarili mo, kaya mong mas maging maunlad pa kesa noong mga nakaraang taon, no? Kumbaga, there is a merong kang creative na idea na mag-unlock ng opportunities, prosperity, abundance sa'yo. So, kung napapanood mo to at meron kang idea na gusto mong gawin, gusto mong i-explore, gawin mo na siya. Kasi definitely, this will open up new opportunities sa'yo na kung saan merong bagong version ng self mo na mas maganda ang kalagayan ng buhay, no? Nakukuha mo yung gusto mo, napoprovide mo yung needs ng family mo, or yung needs mo more than ever, okay? So, the King of Cups energy here can also mean like a new person sa buhay mo might be entering, no? Merong bagong person sa buhay mo na darating na someone na very caring, very compassionate, na pwede naman siyang kilala mo na or dati mong kaibigan or kaibigan mo siya. And eventually, this person will play a major role in your life in the next 2 weeks na pwedeng mauwi sa romantic connection or someone na mapagkakatiwalaan mo para tumulong sa'yo in achieving your goals and achieving your dreams. The Three of Cups is a celebration. Maaring meron kang isa-celebrate na goal na finally na-achieve mo na sa pamamagitan rin ng tulong ng ibang tao at sa pagdedesisyon mo. Kasi, to be successful, you have to decide. Diba? Bago ka maging successful, magde-decide ka kung ano ang gagawin mo or ano ang pipiliin mo, alin ang path na tatahakin mo para doon ka mapunta at maging successful. 'Di ba? So, making a decision, ano ba 'yon? Example, halimbawa pangarap mo na yumaman, 'di ba? So, ang decision mo is tutunganga ka ba o magte-take ka ng action, 'di ba? So, pipili ka doon. So, you have to make a decision na yung decision mo na yon ay in alignment sa goal mo. Because if it's an alignment sa goal mo, eventually makukuha mo yung goal na yan. Okay? Ma-achieve mo. You have anchor. So, I feel like this is a new direction na tinatahak mo, no? This is a stable direction that you are focusing on. Maaring yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong gustong iwanan na sitwasyon, lumayo, at mag-focus doon sa goals ninyo nang walang nakikialam. You also have mountain. So, this is about pagiging fierce, matatag, malakas, na harapin yung mga challenges. Kasi hindi naman nawawala ang challenges eh. Darating at darating yan, and then isosolve natin, susolusyonan natin, matututo tayo sa experience na yan, and as we grow, mas nagiging madali na yung pagharap ng mga challenges kasi alam na natin yung gagawin natin. Okay? You also have mice. So, yung iba sa inyo maging maingat sa mga taong pagkakatiwalaan nyo kasi maaring meron dyan na posibleng sumira sa inyong tiwala sa kanya, at may mga bagay na hindi talaga natin pwedeng ipagkatiwala sa kahit na sino. Tayo lang talaga yung kailangan na mag-ayos or mag-asikaso nun. So, piliin mo lang yung mga bagay na pwede mong ipagkatiwala sa iba. Kasi kung medyo maselan at kailangan talaga ng protection mo, kailangan ikaw lang yung may hawak niyan or ikaw lang yung talagang may access dyan. Okay? Lioness, you've earned all your stripes. Wow. In the next 2 weeks, you will enjoy the fruits of your labor. Okay? Again, in the next 2 weeks, Aquarius, ma-enjoy mo yung bunga ng mga pinaghirapan mo, bunga ng mga trinabaho mo. Pero syempre, kung wala kang trinabaho, 'di ba? Paano ka magkakabunga? So, it only means na worth it naman yung sacrifices mo, yung energy na binibigay mo, yung effort na binibigay mo para sa goals mo, or even para sa relationship mo. Anything that you are working hard for. You're also going to be very proud of your achievement. Kaya nga meron ditong celebration na hindi mo akalain na mapagtatagumpayan mo pala yon, na kaya mo pala yon. So, you're going to be proud of your achievements. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. See you again.